Okay. So speaking of which, from the service request, let's go take a look at incidents as well. So in my particular scenario, I have a support desk that's predominantly focused on service requests in the system. I have an operations team that is predominantly focused on incident management. And as part of their activities, we have regular incidents, but we also support major incident activities where we've got a outage that has occurred that we need to troubleshoot. We also have activities around post-incident management. For example, a post-incident review where we can do root cause analysis and identify whether or not we need to go through problem management to prevent issues in the future. Okay. So we're going to go into an incident. A lot of similarity to what we've seen in the service request, but a few key differences that we want to highlight. So one, we want to link our incidents to what services are impacted, in this case, billing. And I have the ability here to see, oh, we've got some open incidents that have already been reported against that particular service. Again, useful to help me identify if this is a wider spread issue than I originally think. So I can quickly see, okay, we've got other incidents. I can potentially link those to this particular ticket in a parent-child relationship or other causal relationships as well. And just like we saw over in the service request, I have the ability to go investigate that service and look at its dependencies, or even walk through other related item dependencies. As part of this, I can also adjust that view. So maybe I want a little wider view. Maybe I want to go see 2 hubs and see, okay, online sales now adds to that. I can also filter by reference, by types of relationships like dependencies, or if it's a physical relationship, contractual or otherwise. Okay. So again, useful information to help me troubleshoot this issue faster. Now, in addition to that, so we earlier saw how I can go create tickets over in Slack or update those particular tickets. That's not our only use case for chat ops within the platform. So as I'm troubleshooting potentially a major incident, I can always go flag this one as a major incident. I can also do some swarming to help me resolve this issue sooner. For example, I can go create a channel over in Slack. So what this will do is as soon as I hit create channel, it'll make sure we're in the right workspace. It'll create a channel, in this case called ITO 2127, where I can get all my subject matter experts together and collaborate on resolving this particular issue faster. What'll happen is as this ticket advances in its life cycle and ultimately gets resolved, we will take a transcript of that chat session and append that to the comments of this particular ticket and then close out that particular channel. In addition to that, I could also create conference calls, start a Zoom session, whatever it takes to get the appropriate team together to help us resolve this issue faster.